Hi, we are doing logarithm. There are three parts to this question. We'll see the first part. That is, if log a plus 1 is equal to log 4a minus 3 minus log 3, you have to find a. Fine. Now we can see here log a minus log b form it is. So we will use the law. What is the law? Log a minus log b is log a by b. Fine. So what we get log a plus 1 will be as it is. This side, the right hand side, will become log 4a minus 3 by 3. Right? Now since the logarithms are equal, that implies a plus 1 is equal to 4a minus 3 upon 3. Now we will cross multiply this. So 3 will come here multiplied by the whole thing, and this will be 4a minus 3. This will be 3a plus 3 is equal to 4a minus 3. Get all the a's on one side. 3a plus 4a comes here, becomes minus 4a, plus 3 comes here, becomes minus 3. So this becomes minus a plus minus minus 4a minus 3a becomes 1a, and 4 is greater, so minus sign, and this become minus 6. This minus and minus gets cancelled, so a is equal to 6. Now we will see the second part of this question. The second part is 2 log y minus log x minus 3 is equal to 0, and you have to express x in terms of y. Fine. 2 log y minus log x minus 3 is equal to 0. Express x in terms of y. Now again use law of log. So what is the law? N log a is log a raised to the power n. That will become log y raised to the power 2 minus log x, and let's take minus 3 to the other side, it becomes 3. Right? Now we know that log 1000 to the base 10 is 3. Fine. Log 1000 to the base 10 is 3. Why so? Because log 1000 can be written 10 raised to the power 3, and this can be written as 3 log 10 to the base 10, and 10 to the base 10 is 1. So 3 into 1 is 3. Fine. So now we can write this as log y square minus log x is equal to log 1000. When there is no base, the base is 10. That is understood. So now we will again use the law, another law, that is log a minus log b is log a by b. Here we will use that law. So this will become log y square upon x is equal to log 1000. Right? So log, both the sides are same. That implies y square upon x is equal to 1000. So I have to express x in terms of y. So we'll take x to the other side and 1000 will come down. So this will become y square by 1000 is equal to x. Done. Second one. Now we will see the third part of this sum. That is log 125 to the base 10 is equal to 3. 1 log 2 to the base 10. We have to prove this. Prove it. Right? So we will start with the left hand side. This is the left hand side. Let's write it. 125 can be written 5 raised to the power 3. Again use law. That is log a raised to the power n is n log a. So this will be written as 3 log 5 to the base 10. Can I write it like this? Yes. So this log 5 can be written as 3 log 10 by 2. Fine. To the base 10. Fine. So now we know again log using log. Log a by b is log a minus log b. 3 is on both 10 and 2. So 3 को बाहर लिख के the whole thing will be written inside the bracket. That is log 10 to the base 10 minus log 2 to the base 10. We can write it like this because log a, this is b, that is log 10 minus log 2, and 3 is on both. So 3 को बाहर रख के inside the bracket we will put this, and we know any log with the same base is always 1 minus log 2 to the base 10. So the left hand side has become equal to the right hand side, hence it is proved. So this is how we will do this.